For today's tip, I want to show you how you can be more organized when you are browsing the web. Now, my favorite browser is Google Chrome because it plays nicely with different integrations and extensions. And one feature that I love about Google Chrome is personas. So with Google Chrome, you can create different personas which manage different windows of Chrome. And let me explain. If you're like me, and most people I know, we always have multiple tabs open at a time. Sometimes dozens and dozens of different tabs. And it can be hard to manage. We also may have multiple Gmail accounts. And using Google Chrome, it plays great with Gmail, but it struggles with different apps having different accounts. So if you're trying to open something that was shared, say it's a Google Doc, and it was shared with one of your email accounts, but you're not logged in with that one, or you're logged in with multiple and one's a default, there can be a conflict. So with personas, you keep everything separate and organized, and it's easier to toggle between things. So let me show you before I get over explaining it. So one great thing about the personas is you can create different Chrome shortcuts for them, and you can have different little icon symbols to indicate what they are. As you can see here on my desktop, I have a different persona for each one of my clients. I've hidden their names for the sake of this video to protect confidentiality, but I can open up any one of those and instantly have all of the tabs I need open to be working on things for that specific client. So let me show you how to set up your personas and to toggle between them. Start in a regular browser window, and you can see up at the very top of the window, there's a little gray box that turns blue when I hover on it that has my name in it. If I click on this, it gives me a list of all the personas that I've created. And I could click on any one of these and it would open that window separately. I'm going to go to Manage People so you can see how to add new personas. So again, here's all my different personas with the different icons, which help me remember which they are. There is a feature to browse as guest. Let me bring it up higher so you can see that. Down here we have browse as guest, and then there's also add person. So the great thing about browse as guest is if somebody else is using your computer and you don't want them to have access to any of the information you have saved, you can use browse as guest. It will delete their history as soon as they close it. It doesn't save passwords or anything like that. Now back over to add person. We'll click here. You can give the person or persona a name, choose an icon, check the box to create a desktop shortcut for this user, and save. Now, an important thing to know once you've created this persona, if you're like me and you want to always continue where you left off as far as tabs go, you'll want to go into your settings, and on startup you'll want to check continue where you left off. So that is how to set up different personas that make it very easy for you to have a limited number of tabs in any given window that you can quickly open up and work on whatever it is that you need to work on. And then you can close it knowing confidently that you'll be able to pick up right where you left off. I hope this tip was helpful. If you have any other questions or would like tips on other topics, please let me know, and I will see you in the next video.